This is your visit a new La Playa, and I just want to do a quick little video. A lot of people, oh, Wi-Fi. You know, I'm hella Wi-Fi. I'm hella CCC. Oh, you're being gutted right now. The whole market is being gutted, right? Not just my bags, your bags too, right? And especially if you know what you invested in before you got into it, you are not at all in any way worried or concerned about your bags, even if they dropped. Blood in the streets, even if it's your own. Rothschilds. So you average in. I've been buying more into Wi-Fi. Regardless of the FUD, regardless of the market being gutted, I'm hella bullish on Wi-Fi. I'm averaging in, and I'm learning more about the protocol. I'm learning more about the protocol. I have the skills to actually study smart contracts now. That's when you do. That's what you do when the markets are low. When there's not much going on, there's not much hype, you learn more about the technology. And a lot of poor people don't get this shit. A lot of poor people just expect everybody else to make them money, right? But wealthy people understand that you take responsibility for everything you do, right? So if the market is down, you get more of it and you study more about it. That's the real shit. I'm telling you, right? So I'm not at all worried about my bags because I knew what kind of bags I was getting into before I got into it. Getting more of it, I'm adding more liquidity to the pools, and I feel much more confident about it because I'm studying more and more about it. There's a lot less noise to go around, right? Now I can really focus in on what I desire in this crypto game and what I want out of it. On some real shit, look at this beach, man. It's my first time here, honestly. They were just telling me about it. I got another interview with the brother coming up soon, another brother from New York out here. You know what I'm saying? Living conscious vibes. But I'm not all worried about my bags because I knew what I was getting into before I got into it, right? So I'm getting more of it and I'm learning more about it. And I'm telling you, I'm so fucking bullish on Wi-Fi. I'm so bullish. I'm so bullish, right? And that's not to say, oh, Wi-Fi can't fuck up. Oh, believe me, they fucked up. They fucked up big. Real big, right? I understand the game, man. I understand the game, right? It's how you bounce back. I believe they can bounce back because if they don't do it, somebody else is already doing it like it. And I'm already invested in people that doing it like Wi-Fi, but I don't feel anybody can do it quite as Wi-Fi, right? So level up your skills when the market's down. Level up your skills, learn more about what you invested in, and don't let the opportunity miss you by, right? Because we're not over in the bull market. It's not over. Right? You may have gotten wrecked, but it's not over for everybody else, right? There's still so much more to go. So stop thinking short term. Stop thinking poverty. Think wealth, long term. Stick with this game. Make your investments this year, and by the time next year, I'm telling you, you're gonna be living off those APYs, bro. You're gonna be living off that compound interest. I'm telling you real shit. So become a smart contract engineer. If you really are concerned about your wealth and putting money, don't be trusting nobody else. Go and read the code yourself. You hear that all the time. Go and read your code yourself. Aloha, brother. Right? I'm gonna read the code for you. Right? I'm gonna be a smart contract auditor. I'll do that. I'll do it on your behalf. I'll offer it as a service to you. Boy, there's a lot of grind, bro. Years learning how to program from nothing, teaching myself. Right? So now I'm doing a smart contract auditor, smart contract reviewer, right? So you can't rug pull me, bro. You can't rug pull me. I'll look through your code real quick, right? So that's what that's the level I'm on. So I double down. Solidity. Yeah, they got Python, Viper, and then Solidity. That's a whole nother. I keep the programming shit pretty much off my channel because I know that's what niggas really into, but that's where the money's at. So study, and get more of your bags when the market's low. All right, aloha, take care.